How to use Voi. First, download the app for free and register an account. Second, find an e-scooter or e-bike nearby using the in-app map. Third, unlock it by scanning the QR code on the handlebar. Number 4, hop on and get anywhere in the city within minutes. Voi's e-scooters are excellent for when you need to quickly get somewhere within a somewhat shorter distance, while the e-bikes are ideal for longer routes. If you're new to e-scooters, activate reduced speed mode in the app. This caps the max speed of the scooter, allowing you to start off slow while learning to operate the vehicle. Who can ride an electric scooter? You must be at least 18 years old and hold a valid driving license to rent an electric scooter in the UK. Thus, upon registering, you are required to verify your identity by uploading a photo of your driving license along with a selfie. Riding zones. Voi's vehicles respond to preset rules depending on their location. All cities where Voi is available are classified into virtual zones with different regulations. Be sure to familiarize yourself with each one before you set off. Parking. What applies? As with different riding zones, parking regulations vary between cities. Always check the app to find out what applies to your area. Proper parking is not just about aesthetics. Above all, it's a matter of safety and accessibility. Pricing and passes. Ride more for less with a monthly subscription, get a day pass, or simply pay as you go. Prices vary depending on the city. Check the Voi app for the exact prices that apply in your area. By the way, if you would like to get €5 credit for your Voi, then make sure to use my link down in the description. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.